Alright, so today we're diving into 10 station wagon sleepers, the most unexpected muscle cars you could ever imagine. Number 10, the 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 wagon. At first glance, the 66 Coronet wagon was just another family hauler. But you know, if you check the right boxes at the dealership, you could actually get the 440 Magnum V8 stuffed under the hood, a motor that made 365 horsepower and over 480 pound-feet of torque. That's a serious pull, even by today's standards. Add in Chrysler's rugged torque flight transmission and heavy-duty suspension, and you had a legit street sleeper. These days, finding a genuine 440 Magnum Coronet wagon is tough, and when you do, you're looking at some serious collector value. Number 9, the 1972 Chevrolet Kingswood Estate 454. The Kingswood Estate was massive. At 5,300 pounds, it was actually heavier than a modern Suburban, but Chevy offered it with the mighty LS5 454 cubic inch V8, pushing 365 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This thing could hit 60 miles per hour in under 8 seconds. Pretty fast for such a massive machine. Inside you had wood-grain dash panels, shag carpeting, and rear-facing third-row seats. But on the street, if you punched it, that big block growl would leave unsuspecting muscle car drivers shocked and, honestly, kinda humiliated. Number 8, the 1973 AMC Hornet Sportabout 401 V8. AMC didn't play by anyone's rules, and the Hornet Sportabout was proof. Normally equipped with economy 6 cylinders, the Sportabout could actually be ordered with AMC's fire-breathing 401 V8, an engine making over 330 horsepower and more than 430 pound-feet of torque. Imagine a compact wagon, barely over 3,200 pounds with that much motor up front. A lot of buyers never realized they could even order this combo, making real 401 Hornet Sportabouts ultra-rare today. With some mild tuning, these wagons could easily outrun a Chevelle SS 396 or a Mustang Mach 1 at the local drag strip. Number 7, the 1963 Ford Galaxy Country Squire 406. The early 60s were, honestly, the Wild West of horsepower wars. And Ford's weapon was the 406 cubic inch V8, available in the luxurious Country Squire wagon. With 3 two-barrel carburetors sitting on top of an aluminum intake, the 406 made an official 405 horsepower. But you know, a lot of folks believe Ford underrated it. Optional 4-speed manuals and 411 rear gears turned this wood-paneled cruiser into a rolling dragster. On the street, hardly anybody expected Grandpa's station wagon to pull off low 14 second quarter miles. Number 6, the 1994-96 Chevrolet Impala SS wagon. Well, at least the custom builds. Officially, Chevrolet never made an Impala SS wagon, but enthusiasts made them happen by swapping Impala SS drivetrains into Caprice wagons. That meant a Corvette-derived LT1 5.7-liter V8 under the hood, making 260 horsepower and, honestly, a tidal wave of torque. Lowered suspension, wide tires, and that unmistakable Impala SS look gave these wagons some serious street cred. Today, a properly done SS wagon swap can smoke stock 5.0 Mustangs and carry your whole family while doing it. Number 5, the 2005 Dodge Magnum SRT-8. The Dodge Magnum SRT-8 was a wagon with real muscle car DNA. Under the hood was a 6.1-liter Hemi V8, making 425 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. It could hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest wagons of its era. Optional all-wheel drive gave it even better launches, and inside, you had luxury touches like leather seats and a thumping Boston acoustic stereo. Today, clean examples are future classics, combining family hauling practicality with some serious tire shredding ability. So, here's something not a lot of folks know. Back in the day, you could actually special order a GTX wagon. The 1968 Belvedere wagon could be optioned with a 440 Super Commando V8, cranking out 375 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. And honestly, this thing wasn't just fast for a wagon, it was fast, period. A few of these were even fitted with drag race-ready Dana 60 rear axles and limited slip differentials. At the strip, these wagons could easily embarrass Chevelle SS 396s and Pontiac GTOs, all while, carrying the kids to baseball practice. Third up, we've got the 1970 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser 455. The Vista Cruiser might be most famous today for that 70s show, but, back in the day, it was a serious machine if you ordered it right. Oldsmobile's 455 Rocket V8 made 365 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, making it honestly one of the torquiest engines of the muscle car era. Add in the long roof, those panoramic skylights, and some pretty beefy construction, and you had a true sleeper beast. A properly tuned Vista Cruiser could lay down 14-second quarter-mile times. Not bad at all for a so-called family car. Next up, the 1996 Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon. Looking at a Buick Roadmaster wagon, you wouldn't really think performance, right? You'd probably think retired couple's Florida car. But under the hood lurked the same LT1 5.7-liter V8 used in the Corvette and Camaro Z28. Making 260 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, these big Buicks could seriously hustle 0 to 60 in just 7 seconds. Throw on a mild tune and exhaust, and you had a 13-second quarter-mile sleeper with fake wood trim and full leather seating. It's honestly the perfect blend of comfort and chaos. Alright, here it is, the ultimate station wagon sleeper. The 1964 Pontiac Tempest Safari with the 421 Super Duty V8. This wasn't just a big motor, it was a race-bred engine, built for NHRA competition. The 421 Super Duty made a rated 405 horsepower, but real output was rumored to be closer to 450 or even 470 horsepower, more than enough to rip through quarter miles in the high 12-second range. Pontiac engineers also beefed up the suspension, added heavy-duty cooling, and made sure the wagon could handle the abuse. Only a handful were ever built, making them ultra-rare and insanely valuable today. If you pulled up to a red light next to one of these in 1964, you'd be in for the surprise of your life.